We're not talking about Calibre Tone, but Silverstone.
Silverstone, big up selector Jackie B, Flavor and Smiley, Kevin MacGyver, Cousin, Giant, Nico and all the crew. Big up on yourself, Fatta John Fresh from Canada. Why? Silverstone soul, yeah. Get up every day and I listen to the sound. Listen to the sound, say the Silverstone sound. Silverstone sound, now the talk of the town in Africa. In Africa. In Africa. Silverstone can't break the pressure in a Babylon. Babylon one lock up with sound. Can't take the living in a Babylon. They raise it above my means. Don't want my brothers to scream now. Don't want my sisters to scream now. Don't wanna live in a dream now. Silverstone sound is what I wanna hear. Oh, yeah. Silverstone sound is what I wanna hear, Lord. That's why I listen to the words of Marcus Garvey. I listen to the words of Bob Marley. I listen to the words of King Selassie. His imperial, His Majesty, boy. Yes, His imperial, His Majesty, boy. Oh, Silverstone sound, I rule in Africa. Yeah, Silverstone sound, I rule in Africa. Oh, on your way up, I will say on your way down. Make our stop to the Silverstone sound. The talk of the town, the talk of the town. Silverstone sound, the talk of the town. Silverstone sound, the talk of the town. No some boy want to see, but them a go dead and bury. No some boy want to see, but them a go dead and bury. Silverstone sound, the talk of the town, boy, yeah. Get up every day and I listen to the song. Listen Silverstone sound, the talk of the town. On your way up and me say on your way down. Make a one stop to the champion sound in town. The Silverstone sound.